Hey, come on in. Today we're going to look at a sound that can sometimes be a bit challenging for English learners. It's the TH sound. There are two TH sounds in English. Firstly, there is the, this, that, then. And the second one is think, thin, thumb. So how do we make these sounds? For both of them, the tip of your tongue is between your teeth, like that. This, think. So how do we make the different sounds? It might feel a bit weird to stick your tongue out, so one good way to practice it is to put your finger on your lips, and when you say the word, the tip of your tongue should touch your finger, like this. This, that. It's a great way to practice getting it right. So what do you do to make the different sounds? Firstly, put your fingers on your throat and say this, that, then. Can you feel anything? Yes, you should feel your voice box vibrate, your throat vibrate, because you use your voice box to make this sound. This is a voiced TH sound. When it comes to the voiced TH sound, some English learners say D instead. So let's look at the difference between these two sounds. When I make the D sound, like dare, day, dan, my tongue is on the roof of my mouth behind my teeth here. I still use my voice box to make this sound, but look at the difference. Dare, day, dan. Can you see my tongue? Now this time, there, they, than. Do you see the difference? Now you try. There, dare, they, day, than, dan. To practice this, you might want to record yourself using your mobile phone so you can hear the difference between the sounds and practice until you can clearly hear the difference between D and the. So the second TH sound is an unvoiced sound. Put your fingers on your throat again and say think, thumb, thin. Can you feel anything this time? No. To make this sound, the unvoiced sound, you push the air between your teeth and your tongue. Think, thumb. Often when people are learning English, they don't pronounce th. They say s instead, an S sound instead of a TH sound. So what's the difference between the two? To make the S sound, my tongue is on the roof of my mouth and my teeth are closed. Sin, some, sing. Can you see my tongue? What about this time? Thin, thumb, thing. Can you see the difference? Can you hear the difference? You try. Thin, sin, thing, sing, thumb, some. So when I make the S sound, you can't see my tongue, but when I say, you can. Okay, so try practicing this in the mirror, practice with your finger, and use your mobile phone. We'll see you next time. Bye.